Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today I will discuss about how to create path pattern. The path pattern used for different uh, curve form pattern because generally we are use circular pattern and linear pattern, but when I get path pattern basically go for zigzag form and curve form and uh, any way to rotate according to curve. This is not 60-degree rotation, this is the curve form, and freehand curve create about to make the path pattern. So when I go to use path pattern here, this is find out the path pattern right now. When look at this here, here right now path pattern. When I click this is rectangle arrays and path arrays and circular arrays. When apply the path array, then this is path array right now. When first of all create the simple rectangle here, when I click this rectangle right now, simple rectangle I have drawn in 5 mm. When this is rectangle here and when I click this line and create the central line here, it is circle. When I click here circle, so this is circle right now. When I draw the spline, so here we can see this spline right now. Look at this spline. When start the spline joint, start from this point and start from this point to create the curve here, and whatever you want the curve process, you can go to generate right now and continue. The curve form is very tilt, so I have go to match this point, adjustment actually, like I want get this adjustment, this point I have go to stretch this. Okay, so this is the curve form. They are different position in this curve. Okay, so right now, okay, this is the curve here, and how to apply the path pattern. So first of all, go to path pattern here. When I will go to select right now, select all, and I want move, so control M and move some distance. Okay, so this is circle here. I want to pattern this according to path here, this path according to I get the pattern. So first of all select the path pattern. This is your path pattern. When click this circle and go to path pattern. Then also define the axis, which axis according to create the path pattern. So when go to enter, then circle here, click the circle, first of all select this path pattern and select OK, then click here, okay. I am going to exit, then after I will get apply. So first of all here circle right now, when I apply the pattern, path pattern, click the circle and also click enter right, then OK. Now series, first of all when I click this here path pattern, then select this particular item, just select this item, it is select this item. Now click this path pattern and select, then just select, then OK, enter, just enter and click here and continuation. When I go to pattern here, look at this, when I want to number of pattern has been increased in path pattern. So when you go for according to path here, when I do this, OK, enter. So look at this, it is very useful for path pattern in number of quantity. I want get number of quantity has increased. So when you go to click here this rectangle and this is here, I want decrease in number of quantity 30. It's a much more quantity here, but I want 20 quantity. So I have provided the 20 here, 20, enter. This is 20. When increase and decrease the gap, so it is maintain here. When I want 20 mm, so this is 20 mm, this is the specific, and 15 distance between two circle here. So this is the adjustment right now. When click this position, I want this position. So different types of position here the available in rectangle. So when again I will show you how to do that in pattern right now. So when you again I will back right now here, this is the circle. First of all this is path pattern. When go to path pattern, click the path pattern and select this component, and then after enter, then just click the corner here and continuation, go to according to path, how much your quantity do you want this here and select it, then click this enter, it is make the path pattern. So it is very easy to create the path pattern in AutoCAD, because very useful for according to our diagram planning layout. This is more importance for path pattern. So thank you for watching.